Alright, welcome back to another video. This is going to be how to configure a variable product. So I'm in my products tab here. I'm going to edit my Fancy Wings product. I already have all the title and the description and everything else, pictures already configured, but this video is going to focus on the product data section, and we're going to make it a variable product. So right now it's a simple product, and you'll see from my previous video that we set a regular price of 50 and a sale of 40. But let's say we wanted to add some complexity to the product. So we're going to change this drop-down from simple to variable. And once we do that, the general tab is going to be, most of everything is going to go away except for the tax status and everything. The inventory, you can look at my simple product video to learn how to configure all of this, as well as all the other tabs in here except for attributes and variations. So the attributes tab, if we click on this, what we are going to want to do is right here, the custom product attribute, we want to click add. And right here, this name, we can change this to, say, whatever our variation is. So for this example, I'm going to choose size. And since this is wings, we're going to do a basket of 4. And then in between each value, you want to do space, the vertical line, and another space. So I'm going to do basket of 6, basket of 10. So I'm going to have 3 different options for the customer to choose from: a basket of 4, a basket of 10, or a basket of 10 or 6 and then 10. So right here, this check used for variations, you want to check on that and then save. And then now we can go to our variations tab and then click on this drop down and then choose create variations from all attributes and then click on go. And once we do that, we can hit OK, and it's going to tell us that 3 variations were added: the basket of 4, 6, and 10 that we just did in the attributes. And what we can do now is we can open up each of these, and then there's a bunch of options that we can configure for each basket. So we can enable this, we can make it downloadable, virtual, we can manage the stock, and I went over all of these options in my simple product video, so you can go and check that out. Here's the SKU, regular price, the sale price, weight, all the other options here. So what is required in here, the only thing that you actually have to do is set a regular price. So let's say the basket of 4 is going to be $20. We scroll down, I'm going to open the basket of 6. This is going to be $30. And the basket of 10 is going to be $50. So now I can go ahead and click Save Changes. And once I do that, I can scroll up and click Update. When I go ahead and view the product now, there's going to be this drop down, and this is what we just configured. So instead of just being a product where they come in and then they choose, or they click on Add to Cart, now they have to choose what size. So the basket of 4, it's $20. Basket of 6, it's $30. And then the basket of 10, it's $50. So that's how to add variable pricing and just different variations to your products. And now you can customize your products, adds a little bit of complexity. And you can add as many attributes as you would like. So right now, all I have is size. So you could add a size right here, as we did. You can also add a flavor. You can also add a hotness level of the wings. So in here, all you would do is just click on Add one more time. You can choose flavor, or you can put in flavor here, and I'm going to do medium, mild, honey, barbecue, just 3 to choose from, and I'm going to click on the Used for Variations button. I'm going to save. And now what we want to do in here in the variations, since we just added some more attributes, is I'm actually going to click this. I'm going to delete these variations because we have to configure them for all different instances of each variation. So now, once we click on this drop down, we can choose Create Variations from All Attributes. When we hit Go, it's going to go ahead and create them, and it's going to create 9. So we're actually going to have to go through each one of these and select the price or set the price. But if they're all the same, you can click on this drop down, and then you can click on Set Regular Prices and hit Go. And once you do this, you can enter a value in here, and for each one of these, it's going to set that price for. So all of these are now going to be $50. And if this was a real store, I would go through and change the basket of 4s to the $20, the basket of 6s to $30, and then keep the basket of 10s to $50. But for this, to save time, I'm just going to click on Update. And now what you'll see is once we go to the product here, they're going to have to choose their size, and they're also going to have to choose their flavor. And if I did go ahead and choose and customize each one of those, their prices, the price would change based off of what they select here. Then they'll be able to add it to cart. So if you have any questions, any more questions for variable products, go ahead and let us know. The possibilities are endless. You can add as many attributes as you want. You can change the variations for each and every single option they choose. So there's a lot to do here. So if you have any questions, go ahead and let us know. Thank you for watching.